The Wells Fargo Activate Cash Card is a credit card designed to earn cash rewards on purchases. Here's how to use it effectively. Activate your card. Upon receiving your Wells Fargo Active Cash Card in the mail, activate it by following the instructions provided, typically by calling the activation number or through online banking. Understand rewards. Familiarize yourself with the card's reward structure. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card offers unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases. Make purchases. Use your Wells Fargo Active Cash Card to make purchases at any merchant that accepts Visa cards. You will earn 2% cash rewards on every dollar spent. Monitor your spending. Keep track of your purchases and spending to stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Pay your balance. Pay your credit card bill on time and in full each month to avoid interest charges. You can do this online through Wells Fargo's website or mobile app, or by setting up automatic payments. Redeem cash rewards. Redeem your cash rewards through Wells Fargo's rewards portal. You can apply them towards your statement balance, deposit them into your Wells Fargo savings or checking account, or use them for other eligible redemptions. Review statements. Regularly review your monthly credit statements to verify transactions and ensure accuracy.